So we're going to be connecting bullet connectors to motors, and I've already done the ESC with the shrink wrap. So what I did is I drilled a hole in a piece of plywood, and I'm putting the connector in here. So we'll warm it up. We'll get this ready. Should take about 30 seconds. Not yet. Okay. So now the solder is starting to fill the cup. Oops. Hold on a second. There we go. So we just fill the cup until the solder comes out. Okay, so then we take the wire that I pre-tinned, just put it there. And it's just gonna cool down. While this one's cooling down, we're gonna shrink wrap these here. I wanna make sure I don't go beyond this point. And there you go. So that's how you make the connection. And we'll test it here. There you go. Thanks.